Hey, good Wednesday to you. I'm Storm Team 9 Meteorologist Patrick Ellis here with your ENC Weather update for this April the 10th, 2013 across eastern North Carolina. The past couple of days have been quite warm with temperatures, especially inland locations, into the 80s. Right along the coast, we've been in the 70s. We'll keep that trend as we go through your Wednesday and even for your Thursday as well. I think deep inland sections this afternoon, possibly into the middle 80s. I think for most of inland North Carolina, we'll go inland sections of eastern North Carolina will go with middle 80s. A few pockets may hit the upper 80s. I'm talking like 87, 88, 89 degrees. We're getting close to record numbers in some locations. The record high temperature today in Greenville, 90 degrees. The record high in New Bern is 89, and that number down in New Bern is a close shave. Also down at Beaufort, there your record high temperature is 79, and I think we get up to about 75 this afternoon, so records could be broken in a few locations this afternoon. Today will likely be the best day for that to occur with the warm temperatures that we have across the east. And we'll keep that going into tomorrow, but a little bit cooler tomorrow, I think, but still middle 80s still obtainable for tomorrow. Let's get you through this afternoon. I think mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies with a southwest breeze at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. Tonight we'll go with low 60s, maybe a few upper 50s for a few of the cooler pockets this evening with mostly clear skies. Tomorrow looking pretty good for the most part. We'll call it partly cloudy through the day, variable cloudiness. A chance for a widely scattered shower or thunderstorm tomorrow afternoon. Nothing out of the ordinary, very garden variety type of thunderstorm that could pop up at any time due to the heating of the day and also with the moisture content getting pulled up off of the Gulf of Mexico. We'll call it middle 80s for inland locations, low to mid 80s for inland locations, and closer to the coast right around the 70s for your afternoon high temperatures. Winds will be coming out of southwest at 10 to 15 miles per hour, so at times it will be breezy, and it'll just feel like a hot blow dryer just kind of blowing into your face tomorrow afternoon. Best chance of rain moves in here late on Thursday into Friday as a cold front pushes its way through the area. The SPC, the Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma, has issued a slight risk, a day 3 slight risk area for eastern North Carolina. That's mainly for the system that's going to be moving through late during the morning time hours of Friday. But I think we see some storms going into the early morning hours of Thursday, early morning Friday, late on Thursday, as that system starts to make its way into the area. One thing that we will note, this is going to be a linear type of system, so the main threat will become damaging wind threat. Still not looking like we're going to see severe, the parameters for severe weather are there. The problem with this being is whether or not we have enough diurnal cooling or diurnal heating to get these storms going. If we have, if the storms hold off like the European model is showing, the storms would hold off until probably mid-morning on Friday. We would have a little bit more destabilization to occur that could allow for a few gusty showers and thunderstorms to outbreak across the east along that line. If it comes during the early morning hours of Friday, I think we will mitigate some of that severe weather threat, but at the time being we're still not looking at a major severe weather outbreak by any means, but the potential for a few isolated severe pockets not out of the question at this point due to the low level helicity values. Good shear and modest instability definitely going to get this thing going if it does occur. If the European model does verify, we will enhance the threat slightly, but not by very much. The GFS, a little faster solution, gets it on in and out of here fairly quickly, and we clear out actually through the afternoon hours if the GFS verifies. It will take a little longer if the Euro verifies, but the way the storm system is moving at this point, definitely looking like it's going to be a slower solution, so we may need to lean a little bit closer to the European model at this time, and we'll keep you guys updated on that. Going into the weekend looking pretty nice with temperatures dipping down a little bit but still near seasonable temperatures. We'll be in the 70s, low 70s for much of eastern North Carolina, with mostly sunny skies for Saturday and Sunday. Monday will introduce a slight chance for a shower or thunderstorm as a little system moves its way up from the Gulf of Mexico, but not expecting anything nasty with that, just a few isolated showers. The GFS kind of putting down the bulk of the rainfall, the European holding the system offshore. Nonetheless, we'll keep an eye out on it because we may have to bump up or bump down the rain chances for Monday. It looks like it's going to be mainly a Monday evening to early Tuesday event, if anything. We'll call it partly cloudy for your Tuesday with high temperatures reaching back into the 80s, also 80 as we head towards your next Wednesday. So overall, the pattern looking pretty good as we go into the next couple of days, with the exception of the system that's going to be moving in here late tomorrow night into Friday to round out the work week. So the morning commute could be a little bit treacherous. We'll keep you guys updated on that. You can tune in on WNCT at 5:30, 6, as well as 10 o'clock on the CW, and 11 o'clock right back on WNCT. Gannon's going to be in tomorrow morning. I'll be in tomorrow night to keep you guys updated as well through this potential severe weather situation, but at the time being not looking as likely, but still the potential is there. We'll keep a close eye on it nonetheless. Alright, you guys have a great rest of your afternoon. God bless and have a great day. See you back here tomorrow.